In a rapidly changing world, constant innovation is the key to success. We dare to imagine a transformed world and innovate to make it a reality every day. We are the Victura, truly Indian multinational. Victura, Sir John F. Kennedy's cherished boat that sailed on despite setbacks, a Latin word meaning about to conquer, was the inspiration as visionary entrepreneur Mr. Gambhir Singh Banga founded Victora Group in 1972. What started 50 years ago as a dynamic journey in pursuit of excellence has flowered into a stellar multi-technology, multi-domain industry leader, a mini OEM driven by innovation, global engineering and technology solutions provider. Starting with sheet metal parts for automotive industry, our mastery of metal engineering and in-house tool design has transmuted into world-class machined and forged components, tube forming and manipulation, aluminum casting and investment casting, exhaust hangers, rotors and stators, and laser cutting and welding. Building on these capabilities, we have strategically diversified into manufacturing for automotive, railways, defense, consumer electronics, MedTech, and e-mobility, and have aced the hospitality sector. Each year, we are growing at a phenomenal rate and aim to sustain the trajectory in the near future too.
Victora vision is to become one-stop solution provider for all metal commodities to its customer. We have been consistently growing year on year by providing quality product across the globe at customer doorstep. Looking into future, Victora is focusing more on non-automotive customer to balance out its customer portfolio.
Product design and development is our forte. In our modern design and development center, industry's best minds tirelessly work with our customers from early stages of product development to ensure rapid prototyping, having flexible processes and speedy development for small batches of parts. Latest software and simulation tools further optimize designs and develop future technology products. Progressive tool rooms and tandem tooling technologies of our manufacturing bases provide the necessary agility to our production processes. We swiftly meet every customer demand, on time, every time.
Every time you triple in size, you need to rethink how you do things. Augmenting people and process capabilities, especially building a leadership pipeline, is our key management focus. Our operational excellence flows from continually focusing on customers' needs, empowering employees, keeping them positive, and improving workplace efficiencies.
Our facilities are strategically located across India. These modern state-of-the-art facilities achieve operational and production efficiency through consistently incorporating latest technology, be it machinery, software, or refined processes. As India's leading supplier of stamping products, we design and manufacture sheet metal pressings with custom sizes, intricate profiles, contours, and desired batch quantities, using advanced pneumatic, power, and hydraulic presses. Laser cutting, turret punching, and precision welding. Counted among world leaders in exhaust hangers, hanger assembly products, hooks, pressure pipes, tubes, and wire products, our sophisticated fully automated hangers unit delivers the most exacting specifications for our global clientele. We produce over 5 million pieces of hangers and hanger assembly products per month, a feat few have managed to accomplish. Our world-class machining division manufactures a wide range of complex parts and precision machined components to customer print in various material grades using VMC, CNC, 5-axis and 3-axis machining centers, high-speed vertical machining centers and precision turning centers from global brands. We have partnered with Autosys to incorporate a quad platform that augments our manufacturing units on real-time basis.
Victura's advanced forging setup has screw and hammer forging presses
for open and closed die forgings, with induction heating facility and automated processes for billet loading, auto greasing and material transfer. It is supported by an automated in-house facility for cutting, heat treatment and shot blasting. To manufacture a spectrum of intricate cast components, Aluminum Casting Division at Victora has high-capacity Skelner furnaces, electric holding furnaces, a battery of hydraulically operated gravity die casting machines and pressure die casting machines. The facility is supported by processes like sand core making and facilities for heat treatment, machining and anodizing. Using the lost wax process, our modern precision investment casting division is the hallmark of our production capabilities, meeting international standards. It manufactures a range of stainless steel, alloys and super alloys of the finest quality.
Victura has entered strategic partnerships
within and beyond the automotive segment. Among them, technical alliance with Dongyi, a South Korean technology leader to manufacture and assemble pedal sets for automobile manufacturing companies. Electronics for defense, healthcare and railways through Precision Electronics Limited. Electrical stampings for induction motors through Puja Metal Processors. Our progress is rooted in our commitment to quality and continuous improvement. To ensure quality checks at every level, our testing labs and standard rooms have latest instruments to ensure product reliability, performance and unmatched quality.
The reliability and quality of our products creates the confidence in our customers and therefore the strong relationships with them, thereby driving our sales growth. For this, we believe in adopting the leading technologies and equipment from across the globe.
Today, our success story has moved beyond the Indian frontiers. We cater to prominent OEMs worldwide. Are supporting manufacturing hubs in the USA and multiple warehouses in strategic locations across the globe enable us to constantly extend our reach. Numerous awards and international accolades
are testimony that Victura
is a solutions provider par excellence. The credit for this abiding success goes to our diverse team of capable minds across age groups, gender, expertise, geography, technology, and competencies who add enthusiasm, vigor, and a fresh perspective to our businesses. Our 7,000 plus employees guarantee the vibrancy of our brand as we hone our talent by investing in on-job trainings that motivate them and broaden their skill sets. The Victora Foundation, our sustainability arm, works towards women empowerment, education, and skill development. It takes care of our people's health and family welfare and regularly organizes socially and environmentally responsive drive. Every day, we commit ourselves to be future ready, investing in newest technology, collaborating with the best, and constantly raising our standards. We aim to be the world's leading Indian engineering and technology solutions provider, a truly Indian multinational. We are the Victura, flying high on the wings of success.